So welcome students. In this question you're given that this vector I plus xj plus 3k is rotated through an angle theta and is doubled in magnitude, and finally once you do that you obtain this vector. If that is so, what is the value of x? What is the value of the unknown in these vectors? So if this vector is a bar, this vector is b bar. So the simple relation between a bar and b bar is modulus of b bar should be equal to 2 times mod of a bar. Modulus of b bar should be 2 times mod of a bar. So if you square it on both sides, this becomes square and square. So what is mod b whole square? 16 plus 4x minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 4 times mod a whole square is 1 plus x square plus 9. So this implies 16 plus 4, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 16x square minus 16x is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. So 40 plus 4x square. So this implies you get 16x square minus 4x square is 12x square minus 16x. So minus 40 plus 24 is minus 16 is equal to 0. This implies 3x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you can factorize this. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3x times x minus 2 plus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or minus 2 by. These are the answers to this question. Thank you.